Here we have this incredible Canon camera in original leather hard case. The camera is in outstanding condition, as you'll see in a second. Put that to the side for the moment. Here it is, the 5-18-2 incredible camera, super clean lens, as you can see, incredible condition, literally like brand new. The camera functions as well perfectly, so let's try it out. First of all, you need to open the lid, unspin this, unscrew it, and then you pull out. As you can see, super clean battery compartment. Then please always follow the instructions. 1, 2, then the third one, 3, close the lid, screw that back on, voila, incredible camera, incredible condition. You have a record lock as well, and you have a lock. Incredible camera, great condition, super clean lens, perfectly working focus, perfectly working zoom as well, as you can see. So we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. Let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. The no mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin with an expired cartridge, which means that it will spin with the ease a brand new one as well. And the straight film means that the motor and the film gate function together perfectly, which is extremely important for the footage. So somebody is gonna be super happy with this camera. Battery checker works, light meter works very well, very clean battery compartment as well for the light meter batteries. The camera is literally like brand new. So thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.